Hello everyone. This video related to basic computer fundamental part 3. This video covers computer software, system software, application software, and application of softwares. Computer software. Computer software is a set of programs which is designed to perform a specific task. A computer program is a sequence of instructions written to solve a particular problem. So the software is a collection of many programs which perform any task. There are two types of the software: system software and application software. System software. System software directly installed in the computer hardware. So the hardware of the computer cannot work without software, and the software in itself not work without the hardware. So the software and hardware both required to each other. System software is a set of programs that control and manage the operation of computer hardware. System software is also provide a platform for install application software. Example of system software are operating system, compiler, interpreter, assembler, etc. So these are the system softwares. Application software. Application software installed after system software. So the application software directly cannot installed on the hardware. For example, the operating system not installed in the hardware. So how can we install MS Office or Photoshop software on the computer? So it's not possible. Application software is a program that does real work for the user. It is mostly created to perform a specific task for a user. Application software act as a mediator between the end user and system software. Example: MS Office, Photoshop, railway reservation software, database management software, etc. So these are the application software. So in simple, the system software provide the platform and to run the application software. Application of softwares. So the software uses in business. So in business, in different purpose uses payroll calculation, budgeting, sales analysis, financial forecasting. Here, financial forecasting means we observe or we forecast about the finance, how much budget will required, or how much budget uh, ex, expense in the business. Managing employee database, maintenance of stock, and etc. So these operations used in a business. Banking. Online accounting facility which includes checking current balance of the customer, making deposit and overdraft of the customer, checking interest charges, share and trustee record. So these operations performed by the banking software. ATM machine which are completely automated are making it even easier for customer to deal with the bank. So all banks operate on ATMs, and to maintain the ATMs where the cash filling in the ATM machine. So all operation or control of the ATM in hand of the bank. Insurance. Procedure to continue with policies. Starting date of the policies. Next due installment of the policy. Maturity date. So The policy maturity date it provided by detail by the software. Interest due, survival benefit, bonus. So these operation or functionality provided by the insurance company by using the software. Education, manage attendance of students, assignment work, practical work, prepare the database of students, manage student, teacher and staff data. So here the software used in education purpose also. And marketing, advertisement, home shopping. So in marketing, we use in advertisement purpose and home shopping, healthcare. So in healthcare, diagnosis system. So we diagnose any disease of the in the human body, a lab diagnosis system, patient monitoring system, pharma information system, surgery, engineering design, structural engineering, industrial engineering, architectural engineering. So here in the previous video, we discussed about the CAD and CAM, computer aided design and computer aided manufacturing software, which used computer aided design to design the structural engineering, industrial engineering, and the computer aided manufacturer also design the architecture of the engineering. So different software used in the engineering design, military, missile control, military communication, military operation and planning, smart weapon. So here also software used to control all these things, missile control, the missile when the uh, missile attack it said sometimes. So this is these operation computerized communications, email, chatting, FTP. FTP means file transfer protocol, telnet, video conferencing. So these operations used by the software. Government budgets. We make a budget, sales tax department, income tax department, computation of male-female ratio. So the we compute or calculate how many male and female available in the country or in a state or in a city. Computerization of voters list. So the how many male and female registered on the voters. How many voters eligible to give the vote. So these data maintained by the software. Computerization of PAN card. The PAN record also handled by the software. Weather forecasting. The weather forecasting also helpful with the software. Now, any query related to this video, you can write query in the comment box and I will answer that query. So if you get some knowledge from this video, so like this video and share this video with friends and subscribe our channel for latest notification to push the bell button to get the notification of the next video. Thank you.